So to replace a bad tooth with a dental implant, people really typically want to know what that costs. We never want to do any procedures without being very clear on the cost and how much insurance will cover. And it varies very, very much from person to person, depending on what procedures are specifically required, what your insurance might cover, how many teeth we're replacing. Sometimes you might actually only have one bad tooth, but you're actually missing 2 or 3 teeth in that area, and we might want to do 2 or 3 implants. Typically, the cost of doing mini dental implants is much less than conventional dental implants, but it varies so much from one situation to another. We would want to give you a consultation to give you a cost estimate on that. As a general rule of thumb, when we have good insurance coverage, I have seen a tooth replaced for less than $500 out of pocket. And on the upper end, sometimes it's closer to $4,000 to replace a tooth out of pocket with a dental implant. However, it's usually much less than that. And sometimes we can be pleasantly surprised what your insurance would cover. Our experts can tell you exactly what your out-of-pocket expense would be. We don't like surprises. We know you don't like surprises. We want to very accurately predict the cost of your implant before we do it, because we would rather tell you at the end of the appointment you've saved some money rather than surprise you owe more money. We will not let that happen.